Good morning. Today, let us see exclusive OR gate. It can be also written as XOR or simply XOR. First, I will draw the symbol for exclusive OR gate and then truth table. From the truth table, I explain how it works. This is OR gate. Now, if you put one curve here, then it is exclusive OR gate. OR gate and one curve. Two inputs A and B and Y output. This is exclusive OR gate or XOR gate or simply XOR gate. Okay. Now I will write the truth table. Here I will write the truth table. A input, B input, Y output. Okay. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. XOR gate will give output when either A input or B input is 1. Exclusive OR gate will generate 1 when either A input or either B input, that is exclusively, it produces 1. Therefore, 1 here, 1 here. When both the inputs are same, then the output is 0. When both the inputs are same, the output is 0. This is the XOR gate truth table. Now I will write the min term for this. I will write the min term for this. Min term, already you know. Min term means we have to write the product of this and this for the one present in the output. Here in this output we have 2 1 only. Therefore, for this min term, this 0, that means A complement A bar, and this one B. Therefore, A bar B. For this one, min term is 0, therefore A complement 1, therefore B. For this one, it is A B bar. Now for this Y output, we have 2 min terms. For one only we have to write the min terms, therefore we have 2 min terms. Now the expression for this Y equals A bar B plus A B bar. This is the equation for XOR gate. It can also be written as A plus over circle. Okay, plus or circle inside 1 plus is called XOR gate. It can be written equation this, and it can also be written like this, Y equal to, if you write this, then also it is a XOR gate. Now let us design using basic gate for this, and then we will draw the same XOR gate using NAND gate. Now 2 inputs are there, therefore you take A input and B input here. Okay, A input here and B input here, and this is a product, therefore you make one product here, that means AND gate, and another AND gate here, another AND gate here. It is A complement, therefore you write here, you draw one NOT gate, and B complement is also there, therefore you draw one B's complement. Okay. Now A bar B, therefore you connect here as this one A bar and this one B. Okay. Now here you are getting A complement B. Okay. It is this slide is connected to A complement and this is connected to B. Therefore A complement B. Now that means this term we have produced. Now A B bar, that means here it comes A and B bar, therefore here it comes B bar. Now you are having here A B bar. Now we have designed two AND gates for this product and this product. Now both the products are ORed. Therefore you have to put one OR gate here. You have to put one OR gate here. Now this is the output. Okay. Now you are getting Y output here. You are getting Y output here. That means you are getting this equation here. Now this is the XOR gate using basic gates. That means you have designed using two AND gates and one OR gate. Now we have to design this XOR gate using NAND gate as well as using NOR gate only, because both NAND and NOR are universal gates. In exams they are asking design half subtractor or half adder using NAND gate only. For that we are using this XOR gate only, that means using NAND only. For that, if you understand this, you can easily draw in half adder or half subtractor circuit. Please carefully watch. If you watch the diagram how I am drawing, then you can easily draw in the exams without confusion. You can easily draw in the exams. Okay. Now I am going to draw, that is design using NAND gate, XOR gate using NAND gate. Okay. Listen. Here take one NAND gate. Okay. Here take another NAND gate. Here you take another NAND gate. Here another NAND gate. Okay. Just to take 4 NAND gates like this. And XOR equation you are going to get Y equal to A bar B plus A B bar. This should be your output. For that we are designing like this. Okay. Now two inputs are there. Therefore you give one input here as A input. You give one input A here. And you give one input B here. Okay. You are giving one input A there, one input B there. Now for this you have to give one input here and another input here. Okay. Now this output goes to this inputs. Okay. This output goes to these two. Now this output goes here and this output goes here. Now this is the XOR gate using NAND gate. Now we have to check the output. We are giving two inputs A and B, and how we are getting this equation here, let us check. Now carefully watch. Here you are getting, this is a NAND gate. Therefore here you are getting AB bar. Okay. AND gate means AB and NAND gate means AB complement. Therefore applying De Morgan's theorem, you are getting here, A complement or B complement. Okay, understand? Here you are getting this, and if you apply De Morgan's theorem, what is De Morgan theorem? Already I told you, AB complement equal to A complement or B complement. I am applying this De Morgan here. Now this output goes here, this output goes here, and one more input is also coming. Therefore, this NAND gate has two inputs. One is, I am writing here because I am going to simplify here. One is A input and another is this one. Here it is A complement or B complement. First AND gate, because this is, if you remove this, it is AND gate. Therefore, this is one input and this is another input. Okay, this is another input. Therefore, both are multiplied and then it is ORed. Both are multiplied and it is ORed. Okay. Now you multiply this. You multiply. If you multiply this, you are getting A bar plus A B bar and whole bar. If you multiply this, A bar and A B bar. Now A bar is 0 according to Boolean algebra, because 1 complement means 0, therefore it becomes 0. Therefore you are getting this only, you are getting this, that means A B bar complement. You are getting A B bar complement. Again you are applying De Morgan. Now if you apply De Morgan, A bar plus B bar bar. Okay. B bar means simply it is B only. Therefore you are having here A bar plus B. Okay. Here you are getting A bar plus B. Similarly, you will be getting here. A plus B bar. Similarly, you will be getting A plus B bar, because you are giving B input here and this one. Okay, you are giving B input directly and this one as input. If you simplify in this manner, you will get this one. Now these two inputs are going here. Therefore, I am writing here. Okay. What will be getting here? Because it will be a lengthy equation. If I simply write means you cannot understand. Therefore, one input is this. That means y equals A complement plus B, this one and this one, A plus B bar, and this is a AND gate and this NAND gate, therefore complement is there, therefore put one complement. Now you multiply this. If you multiply A bar into A and this one multiply plus A bar B bar. If you multiply this plus A into B plus B bar and total complement. Okay, understand? This is a product. This one term, both are multiplied and it is a AND gate. If you put a complement, it is a NAND gate. Now I am multiplying inside of the bar. A bar into A bar into B bar, B into A, that is AB I have written, and B into B bar. Now this becomes 0, plus you are having A bar, B bar plus AB, and this is complement, and this is also 0. Therefore no need to write. Okay, this also 0. Now you are getting only this one. Now if you make a complement here, that means you are having A bar, B bar and okay, AB, this bar. That means you are applying De Morgan's another law. De Morgan's another law. That means I will write here. A plus B equal to A bar and B bar. Okay, I am applying this one. Now if you apply this, what will you get? No, I am applying the same thing only. Okay, that means you are getting A bar bar plus B bar bar. I am not applying, I am applying this only. Okay, plus, now it is, sorry, this is undo only, na? This is undo only. Now you can put a bracket, you can put a bracket. Now this is A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B bar. Now here you are having A plus B, because two complement will produce the same, into A bar plus B bar. Now you multiply this, A into A bar 0 and A into B bar, you are having A into B bar, and this one A bar B, and B into B bar 0. Therefore, now you are getting this equation. Now you are getting this equation. Okay, that means this output is A B bar plus A bar B. You applied De Morgan's this theorem. Okay, not this one, this theorem. Now you are giving two inputs here and you are getting this output. You are getting this output. This is a X OR gate or exclusive OR gate using NAND gate only. Using NAND gate only. Now I'll convert this into X NOR gate. I'll convert this into X NOR gate. I'll explain how X NOR gate is designed. Before that, I have to explain what is X NOR. Exclusive here, exclusive NOR gate. Okay, NOR gate, exclusive NOR gate, or simply here X NOR. Okay, here X NOR. Okay, that means after this one you are getting, again right here the symbol for this. This is X OR. If you put one circle here, then it is X NOR. Okay, if you put this, then it is XOR. If you put circle mean here and this one mean X NOR. This is X NOR gate. Okay. Now the truth table for this I will draw here. Truth table for this. Two inputs. I will use this one. Two input, A input, B input, Y output, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now X NOR gate, that means X NOR gate produces, okay, exclusive NOR gate produces one here and one here. When both the inputs are same, then you get an output. When both the inputs are same, you are getting output. Now the minterm for this. Now minterm for this. Here it is A bar B bar. Here it is A bar B bar. Because for this one both are 0 0. Therefore both are 0 means both are complement. And here no minterm, here no minterm. Therefore you are getting AB here. Here you are getting AB here. Now the same gate is used, but we are adding something here. Let us see what we are adding. You are giving two inputs A and B. You are giving two inputs A and B, and this is same. See this expression. See this expression. Here you are getting A bar B bar. That means what equation you want? You want equation y equals, you want equation y equals AB plus A bar B bar. This is the x nor equation. This is the x nor equation. Okay. Now you are getting this term. See, you are getting this term with a complement. You are getting A bar B bar plus AB with a complement. If you remove that complement, then you are getting x naught. If you understand, you got this term here for this 4 NAND gates, and you are simplifying and you are getting this expression. Now in between this you are getting this term. Now this term will be generated if you remove this complement. Therefore removing complement means simply putting a NOT gate. If you put a NOT gate, you can add or you can remove. Now one bar is there. If you put a one additional NOT means you are removing. If there is no bar, if you put up NOT means you can add. Now we are going to remove this. Therefore, now you add one NAND gate here. You add one NAND gate here. NAND gate in the form of, okay, NOT. If you add this here, what do you get? Up to here you are getting A bar B bar plus AB whole bar. Okay, this term you are getting here. Now you are, after this, here you are getting A bar B bar plus AB, this bar and additional bar due to this NOT gate. NAND gate in the form of NOT gate. Okay, this is NOT gate. NOT gate. Okay, in the form of NAND. Now two complements are removed. Bar bar. That means minus into minus plus. Therefore this is removed. Therefore you are getting A bar B bar plus AB. Okay, you are getting A bar B bar plus AB. That means this expression you are getting. Now this 5 NAND gates together exclusive NOR gate. If 4 NAND gate means exclusive OR gate. If 5 NAND gate means it is exclusive NOR gate. Okay, thank you. This is used up to this exclusive OR gate is used in half adder as well as half subtractor. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, please drop in a comment box. Thank you very much.